Hello friends, I hope all of you are fine and enjoying the best of health. Friends, my today's video contains a very beautiful design ideas of heavily embroidered hand embroidery dresses. That is, you have heard me right. You can get different patterns of hand embroidery, that how you can design your dresses entirely heavily to give a formal creative and especially a creative outfit for Eid by designing your neckline or hemline, designing your border, full-fledged front heavily embroidered kurti, sleeves embroidery, and even matching back embroidery and dupatta embroidery as well. But before going into the further details, do subscribe my channel, and subscribing, press the bell icon so that you could remain notified with the latest updates and uploads of my channel. Now guys, let's move back towards our main content. Yes friends, all of these very beautiful patterns of embroidery are entirely designed for making your casual outing more creative and unique. Instead of paying a lot of amount and money to highly designer handmade dresses, you can embroider these patterns by following these color combinations and exactly these embroidery patterns by sitting at your homes. Now we will discuss about the main important thing, that is which type of hand embroidery thread is being required to make these very beautiful patterns of hand embroidery. Then you can use anchor, DMC and wool for making these very beautiful patterns. Even you can also use the exact color combinations for machine embroidery as well. You can also use these embroidery patterns for liquid embroidery as well. A different blend of different designing have been shown, like you can use white color for making the whole entire pattern, and you can pair up with white or off-white bottoms. And not only this, you can also creatively design same color fabric thread onto the same fabric of the color that you are going to use. That is, if you are going to make a dress of red color, then you can use an embroidery thread of red color, and even you can use a light tone, one tone lighter shade of the thread along with the fabric color that you are going to use. That is, if you are going to use a shocking pink color of the fabric, then you can use light pink or soft pink as an embroidery thread to give a entire decent and elegant look. So with this, allow me to leave, but stay tuned for the new and latest upcoming videos. Up till then, take care friends, and stay tuned for the more upcoming videos. Keep supporting us, keep watching us, keep loving us like you always have been, so that we could grow up into a large and a remarkable number of YouTube friends and family members. So thank you so much.